Alright, in this video we're going to change the key fob battery in an F-250 fob here, and this flip key fob is used from 2017 on. So first thing you'll need to do is, if your key is like this, is to hit the button here and pull out or flip out the key here. And to change this, there's a small indentation. If you look at the base here, if you can see it super well in the, let's see if I can get it focused here just right. There's a small indentation right there. So about midpoint of the fob on the base here, if you're looking at it in this orientation. And what you do is, if you take a small flathead screwdriver, get into that indentation, you're able to pry and get some leverage to pop off this back here. See, so there's the indentation there, right there. And then, so get in some leverage, and then you can get this backing off, and then get access to the battery that we need to change. So the battery here is a CR2032, just a 3-volt coin battery. And just pop this off. So there's that. And if you have a new battery, just make sure that the positive sign is facing towards you when you put it back in, like so. Pop that in there, and then the back will just pop back in. And that's it. So that's how you change the battery on a Ford F-350, or F-250, excuse me, and the 350 too uses this fob as well, from 2017 on. So there you go.